In front of me is BlackShock Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called System. This one. Now select Keyboard, Onscreen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, tap on this section called Corrections and Suggestions, and when you're ready, scroll to tap on gray switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it turns black, you can go back to check out your keyboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. If you will ever want to disable it, all you need to do is click on gear icon at the top of your keyboard. Then access the same section and tap on black switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!